There are millions of engineers in India, 80% of whom are learning things that are already obsolete or will be in the near future. I'm an engineer too, but amongst the 20% who stay curious, stay relevant, and ready for what's next. The truth is that the world is changing faster than most institutes can keep up. Technologies are evolving, industries are transforming, and we need a new generation of professionals. Engineers who can understand business and managers who can work with technology to lead India towards the next wave of growth and prosperity. And that's exactly who I am. Someone who gets both tech and business. A new age techno-manager, learning to build things and make smart decisions for the high growth industries that are redefining tomorrow. Where? At NAMTECH, a one-of-a-kind institution offering 5 techno-managerial master's programs in their specialized schools. Each made for an industry that's gearing up for the massive growth. Number 1. School of Manufacturing Design and AI. Creativity, code, and semiconductor tech that powers the world. Number 2. School of Advanced Robotics, because machines are now building other machines. Number 3. School of Sustainability, engineering that saves the planet. Number 4. School of Manufacturing Technologies, intelligent production, automated system, advanced industrial transformation. And number 5. Automotive, EVs, batteries, and self-driving systems. This field is evolving faster than any other field out there. At NAMTECH, I'm learning by doing, designing, building, solving, turning my ideas into prototypes and my prototypes into real impact. The future isn't slowing down for any of us. If you're ready to prepare for the world that's coming, scan the QR code and join NAMTECH, where tomorrow's techno managers are built today.